Hey everyone! If you're struggling to remove the ear tips on your AirPods Pro, you're not alone. Those tips can feel like they're stuck, but don't worry, I'm here to show you how to safely and easily remove them without damaging your AirPods or the tips. Let's get started. Step 1. I suggest that you please don't force it. First off, don't panic and don't try to yank it off too hard. The ear tips are designed to fit snugly, and pulling too hard can damage them or even hurt your fingers. See here? It feels like it's stuck, but with the right technique, it'll pop right off without much effort. Step 2. Now carefully grip the base of the ear tip. The key is to grip the base of the ear tip, not the soft silicone part. Hold the AirPod in one hand and pinch the base of the tip firmly with the other hand. Watch this, grip it here, right at the hard plastic part near the connector. Avoid pulling on the silicone part as it can stretch or tear. Step 3. Pull with a gentle tugging motion. Once you have a firm grip, gently pull it straight off with a slight tugging motion. Don't twist it, just pull directly away from the AirPod. Here's how it should look. See, it pops off pretty easily once you pull the right way. Step 4. Inspect the tip and connector. After removing the tip, take a moment to inspect it. Check for any dirt, debris, or damage to the connector or the tip itself. Here's an example. This tip looks fine, but if you notice any tears or wear, you might want to replace it with a new one for the best fit and performance. Step 5. Attach a new tip if needed. To put a new tip back on, line up the oval shape with the connector and press firmly until you hear a click. Make sure it's secure before using it again. And that's it. Removing AirPods Pro ear tips can be tricky at first, but with the right technique, it's a breeze. In addition, you can use paper towel. Try giving the ear tips a firm squeeze at the base, especially from the longer, elongated side. This technique often works well for safely removing or adjusting the tips without damaging them. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Got any other AirPods questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.